Oh, look at this beauty. There's so many of them. And some bees, some wasps are eating them. So I will leave them some too. Okay, I think here we're kind of finished. There are some more. Lovely. Delicious. Really love this kind of fruit. I was passing here every 2 weeks, and every time I was testing them, but they were not ready. But at this point they are perfect. Love it. Look how many of it. Look how many of the white ones. I love it. I really love these ones. I guess I'll have diarrhea tonight, because when I have this amount of fruit, I exaggerate all the time. Look at this beauty. Thank you so much, Liliana. I love you. She just told me, go, I give you the bags, just go get some. And I was afraid that they were higher, or that there were very few, but there's so many. Look at this beauty. Thank you so much, Liliana. Thank you so much. This is what I love about my job, is that the people are so good with me. It's not like in an office or working with your boss. The people are just so good with you. They buy from you, and they also give you something, because I'll be honest, they love me. They love me because I'm being so nice with them. So it's their way to tell me, it's their way to tell me thank you for being nice with me. Some of these people are lonely. It's not the case of Liliana. She has her daughters, her sons coming over. Oh, gotta be careful here. So before I asked if I could collect also some of these berries, but she told me no, don't touch that, because of my daughter, and she's doing it for, she wants to keep it for doing some marmalade and so on. So I say, really, thank you so much for the plums, for those ones. I say, I won't touch your berries. So again, thank you, Liliana. See you next time.